Hi, my name is Ellie Johnson. I'm a vegan chef and a major foodie. At 24 years old, I opened my own vegan cafe in my hometown. I wanted to spread plant-based food and cooking in my home community. Now I'm expanding my community and I'm sharing my favourite meals with you. Every week I'll be here sharing my favourite gluten-free and vegan recipes with you. This video is part of my Easy Breakfast series, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 5 really simple breakfast ideas that are all gluten-free and vegan. So let's get into the video.
The first recipe we are going to make is an almond butter and date porridge. To start, pour half a cup of gluten-free oats, 1 cup of cashew milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 5 chopped dates, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon into a pan and cook on a medium heat, stirring regularly. It will slowly start to thicken, so just keep an eye on it until it's your desired consistency. And then remove it from the heat and pour the porridge into your favourite bowl. And top with a banana, hemp seeds, some chopped nuts, and if you have an extra sweet tooth, you can add some pure maple syrup. Next, we are making avocado on toast. I'm using gluten-free bread from the Incredible Bakery Company because it's my favourite, but any gluten-free bread will do. Just check the ingredients, as many have egg or white sugar and other weird ingredients in. Cut a couple of slices of bread and toast these as much as you like. Meanwhile, grab your avocado and pray to the avo gods that you get a good one. On this occasion, mine was a bit below average, but it was good enough to use. Mash this with a fork and add 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and mash it all together. Now top your toast with this, and if you like, you can squeeze a bit of lime over the top and add some more chilli flakes. This breakfast is so easy and it's one of my all-time favourites. Now we are on to the maple chia pudding. Combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, a cup of cashew milk, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup together and mix well. For all these recipes I've used homemade cashew milk. I have another video on this that you can watch next. Once your chia mixture is well combined, move it to the fridge and chill for a couple of hours or overnight. When it's set, you'll want to give it another good mix before topping it with some berries and seeds. It's so simple and quick to prepare. I just love this breakfast. Okay, so next is granola, and I have a separate video on how to make granola from scratch. Otherwise, you can just buy some gluten-free, vegan and refined sugar-free granola to use. I'll link my favourites in the description below, but once you've got some granola, simply pair 1 cup of unsweetened vegan yogurt with 1 cup of granola, a handful of berries, a banana, and some pure maple syrup. Be sure to check out my granola video as it's so easy and tasty. Our final recipe today is a simple banana, mango and maca smoothie. So in your blender, put 1 cup of frozen mango, 2 frozen bananas, and 2 cups of cashew milk together, and 1 teaspoon of maca. You can find maca at health food stores or online. I'll link my favourite one below. Blend all of this up until it's smooth and enjoy. I love adding some barley grass powder to mine some days, so just have a play with this and make it your own, as it's such a good base for adding more to your smoothie.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below letting me know which breakfast you'll be making tomorrow. If you like this video, then I think you will really like my free ebook. It's called Weeknight Staples, and it's basically a book with just some easy recipes for those nights when you just can't be bothered cooking. I definitely have that after a long day, and these recipes are just like my go-to. They're so good and so healthy. And so if you want that, it's totally free and you just can find the link in my description below. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe as well if you enjoyed it. I'll be making more videos just like this every single week, so be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss anything. And yeah, that's everything. So have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!